proklamasi kami, bangsa Indonesia, dengan ini menyatakan kemerdekaan Indonesia.
Proclamation Day on August 17, 1945 became a symbol of the independence of the Republic of Indonesia. It is not surprising that at the celebration of Indonesian Independence Day, Sukarno's recorded voice while reading the text of the proclamation was often echoed. Behind Sukarno's recording playing at the Agasan moment, it turns out that there is a spirit stir in it. In fact, Sukarno's iconic voice was not recorded in real time or when Indonesia declared its independence on August 17, 1945. Find more explanation on our YouTube channel. See you!